explain your whole raw
Okay, are
food
you
philosophy.
on? All right. Okay. Welcome. Hi. Welcome to Sun Food. Welcome to Sun Food Catering, Sun Food Reboot, and Creative Health Initiative. Also, Oahu on $50 a day. Yeah, the thing is with any blender, but especially a crappy one, use spinach, not kale. Way too much, guys, with the kale. And this is the worst blender I've ever used in my entire life, so it's super challenging. Everything has to be really tender. Yeah. So this is the Hostile Delight blender, and so what I've got in here is some Tangelo juice and frozen banana and spinach and papaya. And because this Hostile blender is such a piece of crap, I'm gonna mince the ginger because I don't trust it to really break up the ginger in there. So you may want to pause it while I do this.
Okay.
Okay. This is delicious green smoothie. Oops, still some banana chunks. That's okay. That's gonna be good. Oh my god, taste this. You gotta taste this.
Okay. Whoa, that's pretty good.
Is that amazing?
Yeah, what was all the spinach, macadamia?
Tangelo, papaya, and frozen banana. Also a lot. I had like 3 or 4 those little guys, ripe local bananas.
Oh,
frozen.
cool.
Yeah. That's what makes it thick.
And some lime?
Mm-hmm. And some lime. Yeah.
Some lime.
So I think the main thing about making a green smoothie is to use tender fruit and tender greens and make it really, really sweet. You know, because nobody wants to just eat a glass full of, kale juice or lettuce juice, like lettuce schmuck, right? Just spinach blended in it. No, that's it. Just really sweet. See, this really sweet fruit just makes it taste like candy, right?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Gotta get another cup.